Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and I am Khushi here to tell you again a new story with new updates. I am writing my own story so you can read it, you can listen it or read it. I will share the pics also, and some words are from Google, and I will today share a story about a farmer. Wait, wait a little. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going to share this story now. Once a day, the farmer was very happy for his harvest has grown well, but when he went next day on farm, he got no harvest. The ground was empty. Then he think about that to tell all things to landlord that I have done the harvest, but anybody has stolen the harvest. Then he got to the sarpanch and tell everything, but the sarpanch didn't understood. The sarpanch told that you are telling lie. I think you have been eating the harvest and telling me lie. The farmer told, I am not telling the lie. Then the sarpanch asked to his wife. The wife told, no, we have not stolen anything. The farmer the farmer replied to the sarpanch, go to the farm and search any clue is there. Means in any cases we see that any clue is there or not. So the sarpanch told to search any clue is in there in the farm or not. Then they see footprint. Means in the farm there is a footprint. Then the sarpanch believe anyone has stolen the harvest. Then the sarpanch think that we have to catch the thief. Then the sarpanch told that you grow harvest once again. When it will grow, then the thief will come again and we will catch him. When the harvest has grown, the sarpanch and the farmer go to the farm at night and see. Then the sarpanch and the farmer go to the back of the house and looking when the thief came and start stealing the harvest. Then they came back at the back of the house. Thief came. Thief came and they have seen how he stealing the harvest. Then they taken a stick and start beating the thief and asked the thief why you are stealing the harvest. The thief told, my family is hungry, that's why I am stealing this harvest. The sarpanch told, you should ask to the farmer and take the harvest. Why you are stealing? The stealing is the very bad thing. The thief told sorry, but he told, I am stealing always everything from outside. And if I asked, what is the confirmation that he will give me he will give me the harvest? What I will do if he will not give? I will steal now only. The thief got some harvest from the farm and then he went home happily and his family eat happily the food. Thank you and please like, share, subscribe my channel. I am new on YouTube. Please share my video as you can. Thank you. Bye bye.